First, we need to prepare all the accessories and tools. Lamp body, bracket, lens, PCB, screw, seal ring. And drive. This is thermally conductive silicone used for heat conduction between PCB and lamp body. This is sealing glue used for sealing of power supply wires. Next comes the shovel, the screw gun, cable cutters, soldering iron. Next, assemble the 50-watt floodlight. First, we clean the bottom of the lamp body. Make sure there are no raised burrs on the bottom. Next, assemble the sealing screw of the input wire. Insert the plastic ring into the screw. Like this, pay attention to the direction of the screw. Insert the sealing rubber ring into the other end of the screw. Next, install the entire waterproof screw into the lamp body. Install the screw on the other end of the waterproof screw. Like this, finally tighten the screws with a wrench. Next, apply the heat-conductive silica gel evenly on the bottom of the lamp body. Just like this, apply evenly. Next, install the PCB on the lamp body. Align the screw holes of the PCB with the screw holes of the lamp body. Then, use two screws to fix the PCB. Here, we do not need to assemble all the screws, because the reflector needs to be assembled next. We only need to fix two screws. Okay, the PCB is assembled by itself. Next, start assembling the drive. First, we put the input wire of the drive through the waterproof screw. Okay, then lock the waterproof screw cap. Next, fix the drive to the drive groove of the lamp body with glue. Apply the glue evenly on the bottom of the lamp body. Then, we paste the driver on the lamp body. It should be noted that, stick the metal surface of the drive to the lamp body. This helps to conduct the heat inside the drive to the lamp body, thereby improving heat dissipation performance. Next, lock the screw of the ground wire. By now, we have finished half of the work. Next, solder the wires at the drive output. We can see there are red and black wires at the drive output end. Red solder the positive electrode of PCB, and black solder the negative electrode of PCB. Okay, let's start welding. First, we add some solder on the positive and negative paths of the PCB. This makes it easy to weld the drive output wires. Then, the drive output wire is soldered to the PCB. It should be noted that the wires need to be in the same direction. Avoid the wires from contacting the PCB and the bottom of the lamp body. This prevents short circuits. Like this, unify the direction to avoid short circuit. Finally, we put the wires in place. Next, we assemble the waterproof rubber ring. Insert the waterproof rubber ring into the lamp body. Next, add glue to the waterproof screw. Apply glue evenly. This helps to keep water out. When the lamp is used outdoors, this position is prone to water ingress. Therefore, special attention is required. Next, install the reflector. Align the screw hole of the reflector with the screw hole of the lamp body. Just lock the remaining two screws. Finally, the lens can be installed. Fasten each buckle completely on the lamp body. Well, let's go to the last step. Mounting bracket for lamp body. This is a simple step. Let's not read the explanation first. So far, we have completed all the installation. Finally, we need to conduct testing and aging. If there is a problem during the test, please follow the above steps for inspection and maintenance. Next, explain the installation method of 100-watt floodlight. The difference between 100 watts and 50 watts is the pad of PCB. 100-watt PCB has two positive pads and two negative pads. Therefore, two drives are required. We can see that neither of the two drives has physical black wires. That is, we need a large wire to connect the two drives. First, we cut the length of the input wire according to the actual situation. Then connect the blue wire of the drive and the blue wire of the extension cable together with a connector. Fix the connector with crimping pliers. In the same way, we connected the brown wires together. Finally, we connected the wires. Next, weld the output wire of the drive. First, we can cut the length of the output wire according to the situation. In general, the wires do not need to be too long, as it can be put into the lamp body. I won't demonstrate here. Next, demonstrate how to solder the wires to the PCB. In the same way as 50 watts. The red wire is welded to the positive electrode of the PCB. The black wire is welded to the negative electrode of the PCB. Well, let's finish it quickly. Finally, pay attention to the direction of the wire. Avoid the wires from contacting the lamp body, which is the key. Okay, all the steps have been demonstrated. If you encounter problems, please contact us. Thanks for watching.